In this video, I'm going to be explaining how to play the game Rolling Gold by LogicMills. This game is basically a bunch of little puzzles that the teacher or the parents can do first together using these, and then afterwards do it on the worksheets, which has a bunch more different possibilities and questions that the players can either do by themselves or work together with a partner. The way that it works is when you look at it at the puzzle, you're going to have a grid. This grid has numbers 1 to 5 along the top and then A to E along the side. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to imagine like a laser beam or a ball rolling straight, or a laser beam being pointed across, and it will always keep traveling in a straight line. What this does is it helps, what you have to do is imagine where that laser beam would go. So, if I were to have a laser beam pointing down from 1, the laser beam will go all the way until it goes off. Down, the last square would be 1E, and then it would continue on. If I pointed it from A, it would go all the way across to AE, and that's the final square. So this is how it kind of works. And now, once you understand the whole concept on a plain grid, you can move on to looking at the second grid. In this case, it has like mirrors. And remember, when light hits a mirror, it reflects off. So in this case, if I had a laser beam that shot down from 1, it would reflect this way across. And then it would just keep going and going and going, and the last square would be here until it keeps going straight. If, let's say, I have a laser beam going down from, going across here, it would go over here and then bounce back up. So remember, when a laser beam hits this angled mirror, it will go at a 90-degree angle that way, okay? Finally, we have this third grid. Now again, we can imagine the laser beam starting here, going down, just like in grid 2, and going across this way. Now once it hits this second piece of mirror, it will go down straight, and the final square is 5E. So when you look at the questions, you're going to have a starting square where the ball or laser starts, and then you need to figure out where the last square is. So in this case, it would go across, down, and the last square is 5E, and that's the answer to the puzzle. So you have to do that, know where it starts, and then figure out where it ends. Thank you.